Hello guys, welcome to Amazon TV. I hope you're okay. Guys, you as a South African citizen, have you ever been invited by your local police station for you to come and sit down with them to explain the challenges you are facing in your communities? No, but they're doing it to foreign nationals. Let's listen to this.
Hey guys, good afternoon. I'm Captain Kubak. I'm working with Eastplain Police Station. I'm asking all of you, all the foreign nationals, whatever country you come from, we're having a meeting tomorrow here at the police station from 11, 12 o'clock. So please, if you have any problems with anything, please come. We're going to discuss the 30th, end of May, end of June now, the 30th, we're going to discuss that issue. And we're going to have also issue about immigrations and also the arrest that is happening. So please guys, please come to this meeting.
Thank you very much. Thank you. We will appreciate about this thing and we will come.
Yeah.
Thank you.
South African police are very concerned about foreigners. They are concerned about their safety. If they have any problem, they must come to the police station and address it with the police. But you as a South African citizen, if you call them, they are not available. If you want them to come to you, they are not available. Foreigners are very lucky. What about you as a South African? Are you welcome into your own police station? I don't think so.
Thank you very much. Thank you. We will appreciate about this thing and we will come.
I am not illegal foreigner. My name is Chukwuemeka Daniel Onyachonam. I reside in South Africa. I'm not going anywhere. This is Africa. I'm in my mother's land. I'm not a foreigner. Did you understand me? So I use this opportunity to thank everyone that is upon that Africa will be one. All this in border, there is no border in Europe. So I don't know what make me now to start saying this thing. I see somebody talking about block all our border, do this and this. Who give you the border? Who create the border? So, thank you. Don't mind my voice. Don't mind my voice. Somebody push me to speak like this, talking about border. Did I use border? I use SA plane, government plane. That's what I use. Thank you. So if you want to verify me, or verify me and give me what is required to stay in South Africa.
Hey, look at the grandfather. This man was supposed to be at home in his country with his grandchildren, but he's busy making noise in other countries. But I don't blame them. I blame our own government for allowing all these things to happen to us. Ama-leaders ethu abanika this entitlement, this power ukuthi the country belong to them. That is why you hear them speaking like this. You can hear Malema and Thabo Mbeki speaking through this man.
I'm not going anywhere. This is Africa. I'm in my mother's land.
How many foreign nationals, how many illegal foreign nationals do we have in this country? These people are more than us. What kind of country is this? What kind of leadership do we have in this country? How can a country allow all these people? How can a country allow illegal immigrants to feel free in their own country? You don't know if these people are rapists. You don't know why they ran away from wherever they are coming from. But you allow them. You even want to document them. How many other illegal immigrants from other nations do we still have in this country if amamalawi emaningi kangaka? And kulindeleke ukuthi siyamukele leyo nto sithi Hashem bahluphekile balambile. What about us? We are unemployed. We are being unalived by the same people. These people are doing all sorts of horrible things to us and our children. No one cares about the sufferings of people of this country. What exactly have we done to our government to deserve all this? Guys, let me know what you think on the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, to like and share the video. Love you guys. Bye.